Brought to you by Agilus Diagnostics.
Agilus Diagnostics.
I'm Shobha, and in this week's bulletin you'll get to know latest health and medical news from around the globe. Let's begin with the headlines. As the world progresses, biologists have shed light on how the Y chromosome, the one of the two sex chromosomes in humans, is on the cusp of disappearing. The complete disappearance of this chromosome would mean the end of the male offspring in the future. However, there is some hope. A new study published in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Science has revealed that the spiny rat, a rodent species native to Japan, has evolved a new male-determining gene as its Y chromosome disappeared. This discovery offers hope for human survival as our own Y chromosome faces potential extinction in the coming millions of years. Florida has reported its first case of sloth fever caused by the oropouch virus, which is primarily spread by small flies and mosquitoes. Symptoms range from mild to severe, with serious cases leading to neuroinvasive diseases. Health officials are urging preventive measures due to the potential for rapid spread and severe health complications. The virus has also been linked to fetal death and birth defects in case of maternal transmission. A 20-year-old woman from London, UK, revealed that she has a rare and painful condition that makes her allergic to her own periods. Georgina Jelly began experiencing rashes, itchy and burning eyes and headaches after she got an intrauterine device fitted in her uterus in April. When her symptoms flared up again after 3 years later, Jelly noticed it coincided with her menstrual cycle. After researching on her own, she suspected she had a rare condition called progesterone hypersensitivity and sought a formal diagnosis. Progesterone hypersensitivity is an allergic reaction to progesterone, a hormone produced by the ovaries which peak just before a woman's menstrual cycle. Symptoms of this condition include rashes, hives, swelling, redness and itching. Zoho CEO Sridhar Vembu and Dr. Abby Phillips, known as Liver Dog on X, clashed over the practice of walking barefoot, also called grounding. Dr. Phillips, who has been targeting prominent figures for spreading what he deems as healthcare misinformation, in his latest post criticized Vembu for promoting the benefits of walking barefoot, referred to it as grounding. Dr. Phillips, however, dismissed grounding as a pseudo-scientific practice with no credible benefits. He criticized the practice, calling it a pseudo-scientific notion with no clinical validation, and accused it of contaminating scientific literature. India's food regulatory body has withdrawn its recent advisory that directed food businesses to remove claims regarding A1 and A2 types of milk and milk products from packaging. Grocery shelves often display a row of milk products such as ghee, butter and curd with labels like A1 and A2, listing them as healthy choices for consumers. And the FSSAI had declared these labels as misleading. But now it's said that the advisory was retracted to allow for more discussions with the stakeholders. This means that the food business operators can continue to market and sell products with A1 and A2 milk claims for the time being. Researchers have found a natural alternative to over-the-counter medications for inflammation in the mouth, especially a gum disease. Periodontal disease, commonly known as gum disease, is a significant health concern that affects both oral and overall health. It is caused by an infection with bacteria known as periodontal pathogens, leading to inflammation in the gums and potentially more severe health issues if left untreated. So that's it for this week's bulletin. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. We'll be back next week with another episode. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit.